Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and on this video I'll be showing you 3 websites that pays you for clicking and doing easy stuffs on your phone or on your laptop from the comfort of your home, and it's absolutely free. And these sites are available worldwide from any part of the world you're watching this video right now. I'd like for you to comment in the comment section below which country are you watching this video from. I'd like to know so that I'll make more videos that is surrounding your country or that is available. Talk about more websites and more apps that's available in your country. So do me the honors of commenting your country you're watching this video from in the comment section below. And this website I'm going to be showing you, you can earn up to $47 a day or more if only you will watch this video to the end, learn as you watch the video, and definitely apply what you're going to be learning on this video. So with that being said, welcome to Online Money Tactics, and if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, or if you come before you didn't subscribe, I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel and check out my channel. There are lots of videos on here you can leverage to make money for yourself passively. And if at the end of this video or during this video you gain any value, leave a like on this video, and I'm really going to appreciate that. And share this video as well with your friends, with your family, and let's all have let's all win together. So with that being said, the first websites I'm going to be showing you today, like I said, I'm going to be showing you 3 websites that pays you for clicking and doing stuff. The first website I'm going to be showing you today is called inboxpays.com. And once you come on this website, you will almost immediately know what this website is all about. As you can see, I said earn money by successfully completing out paid surveys and offers, learn how to receive coupons, discounts, and giveaways with your participation in our offers and surveys, refer your friends, and earn additional income by reading emails. Maximum of $25 per payout. Wow guys, that's a lot of money. Like I said in the beginning, you can earn up to $47 a day, and that is possible. Get paid by the 1st and 15th of every month through PayPal. So guys, if you come down, scroll down here, you said first step is for you to sign up for free. Registration is free. The 2 websites I'm going to be showing you on this video are absolutely free. Secondly, you complete offers, you get paid, and boom, you're making money already. And as you can see, they paid up over $2 million already out. And if you scroll down, you see people that are testifying about this website I'm showing you now. That's to show that this website is very much legit, and you can start earning money almost immediately. As you can see, this guy said, I recently lost my job, needed a way to pick up some extra cash. I found Inbox Pays, and it was super easy to sign up and complete paid surveys and other offers. I was so happy to be able to cash out via PayPal. So thanks for giving me a fighting chance. Inbox Pays, Max from Bust, and so on and so forth. You see these all the testimonials on here. Just take surveys, you earn and you redeem your money through PayPal. So that's one. This is one of the sites I'm going to be showing you on this video, inboxpays.com. And if you want to sign up, you click on here on sign up, and it's going to take you to this website, this other page, and you just have to put your first name, your email, your date of birth, your phone number, your address, last name, password, gender, and zip code. Then click on continue, and if you come here, you can see they have positive reviews, and these reviews has been here. These reviews is made as far back as 2017. That's to show you this site have been around for a while and they are still here. So, and they have an affiliate program as well, where you can share this site with your friends and family, share it on Facebook and on every other social media platforms you have. The website, if you have one, So the next website I'm going to be talking about is rewardingways.com. And as you can see, if you come on this website, it say access online paid surveys, make money online, get paid today, work from home, free join bonus. So when you join Rewarding Ways, you can do this from home, from the comfort of your home or your office or wherever you are. And once you sign up and get the sign up bonus. You can get paid the same day, withdraw as it says here, payments within 24 hours. And as you can see here, you can withdraw your money through PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango Card, and Bitcoin. And on Trustpilot, you can see they are having positive reviews as well on Trustpilot. So and they paid out over $2 million already out. And this is actually how it works. You complete online surveys and cash in gift cards. You can watch videos as well, take part-time in paid trials, answer survey questions, play online games and offers to earn points. Then you exchange those points for quick cash or e-gift cards. Then you redeem the gift cards for your cash. The gift cards might be Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, or whichever one you want. Or you can actually withdraw your money through Bitcoin if you're crypto inclined. You might want to have some questions you want to ask. It says here, why use Rewarding Pays? Come on this website, you can go through that. How much can I earn? You can see that you can earn. It said you can earn between 50 cents to $5 per survey. So guys, how many surveys do you think you can do in a day if you can earn this amount of dollars per survey? Longer surveys may take up to 30 minutes, but can offer higher rewards. So guys, that is it. So you come on this website, sign up to claim your free bonus, and start doing stuff in this website, start making money already. And they have referral program as well in case you want to share this opportunity with your friends and make more money online. And if you come on here, you see the payment proof. You see that people are cashing out already with this website. You can see here $3, $2, $9, $5, and so on and so forth. The list goes on and on and on, and it has this page. You can go to next page and all of that. If you come on here, you see people that earn. If you come to this right hand side, you see people who are earning money even as this video is going on. Like now, people are making money. Like you said, Freelanus has completed this offer worth 58 points and so on. This one worth 5 cents and so on and so forth. As you can see, people are making money already with this website. Now, the last website I'm going to talk about on this video is called iPo.com. This website is pretty much easy. As you can see, it says here, iPo is an online and mobile community where your unique perspective is in your game. Answering questions about the product and services you use and places you visit every day is all you have to do to access and create rewards catalog. So this is another site where you can make money online, answering simple questions about where you visit and things you use on a daily basis, and you get paid for doing these things. So you can come on here and check it out and click on join, and it's going to take you to the page where you're going to fill out your information. And once you're done filling out your information, then you click next, and then agree to terms and conditions, and it's pretty much very easy. Put in your zip code on here as well, and boom, you're in and start making money. For the purpose of not making this video long, I didn't go through how to register, but it's pretty much easy to sign up on this website because it's just as normal sign up on every other website. So guys, that's it on this video. For more awesome ways to make money online, there will be 2 videos popping up on your screen. Just go check them out and I'm sure you can make money online. Like I said during this video, you gotta watch this video first, learn as you watch and apply what you watch, and subscribe to this channel should in case you've not subscribed yet. I'm going to be posting more some stuff and more ways to make money online. And leave a like on this video if you gain any value from this video, or if you didn't gain any value, just click on the dislike button twice. Yes, you heard me right, click on the dislike button twice if you didn't gain any value from this video. And I promise in my next video I'm going to give you real value for free, and everything I do on this channel is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money, you don't need to do any hard work or any hard labor to start making money with tactics that I share on this channel. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed, never forget the money.